Yeah, this one guys, oh, it's weak. Very weak. See? Wow, thank you. Oh, you drink coffee. Thank you for the coffee Roger has. Coffee at night? Coffee at night. Wow, thank you Roger has. Yes, guys, so very weak. It looked good a long time ago. Yes, Craig Davis. Oh, it's. I hope it's rain now. Go, guys. Go, go, go. Rain. Go, rain. Why rain is stop? Oh, no. Thank you. That's for you po. Oh, from Roger. Thank you. Thanks, Roger. Thank you for the super sticker. God bless you. You are very big heart, Roger has. You're very kind. You're very generous. Always. Yan. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, Rambo. I think Rambo is left. Greg Davis. Thank you. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the blessing. Thank you for the watching my live stream. Even pangit ang lives ko. Okay, I will go down guys. So, it's raining is stopped. Raining is stopped. So, I will go down. My slipper is slippery. Oh, see? You hear it? Oh no. Joy said pangit lol. You understand that, Greg Davis? Wow, Greg Davis, you know. Yes, my live stream is very pangit. Thank you for watching the live stream, pangit. I'm laughing. But it's nice, the Tagalog words, Greg Davis. Be careful. Oh, I always careful, Roger Hess. Sanay na ako nito. Yes. I hope my life is not blurred. Yes, Roger. I want to get the tamarind here, guys, in this one, but no signal. It's loading. You cannot see it if I get the tamarind. Did you eat tamarind, Greg Davis and Roger? How about the avocado? Avocado. Oh, mango, wala pa. It's not pangit. Wow, thank you. Thank you. Cocoa, the cacao. Chocolate. Chocolate. There's a lot of cacao here. Yeah. Cacao. Yeah, there's a lot of guys. And star apple, avocado. But I don't have a signal if I go there.